Hello, my name is Benjamin Hart. I'm an American attorney and the Managing Director of Integrity Legal here in Bangkok, Thailand. As the title of this video suggests, we're discussing overstay yet again, and specifically we're discussing the issue of overstay fines associated with staying past lawful status here in the kingdom. So in a recent article from the Phuket News, that's the PhuketNews.com, article is titled Phuket Immigration Confirms 500 baht a day overstay fines are being levied. Quoting directly, Phuket Immigration has confirmed that 500 baht a day fines are being levied on any people who remain in the country after their permits have expired. Quoting further, Phuket Immigration Deputy Chief Lieutenant Colonel Udom Tongchin told the Phuket News late this afternoon that his office has no authority in the matter. Quoting further, quoting further, if a foreigner's permit to stay is about to expire and they cannot get a letter from their embassy, or their embassy refuses to issue them a letter, we have no regulation that can help them. So this is where we're at. I've done a prior video on embassy letters, and there is a mechanism. We did it specifically in the context of an American letter, and we showed what one of those looked like, but there should be this same function being performed by other missions here in Thailand, be they embassies or consulates. And basically, where it's being asked of the foreign mission to extend accommodation to someone due to these extenuating COVID-19 circumstances, it appears that immigration is willing to assist. Where a letter does not exist, though, they don't seem to have any legal mechanism to, how do I put it, to provide an amnesty with respect to overstay fines. The Immigration Act still is what it is, and those who are in overstay will begin accruing fines. Now, for those who are unaware, overstay fines are 500 baht per day. However, they do cap out at 20,000 baht. So however long the overstay lasts, it's not going to go more than 20,000 baht at the time that one departs, presumably to go back to their home country. Now, the other thing to understand, though, is there are blacklist implications with respect to overstay. So people that are apprehended by Thai authorities, be it the police or other law enforcement officials or government administrative officials, if one is discovered in the country to be in overstay, then those individuals can be detained and they can be fined and they can be blacklisted. So if it's looking like an overstay is simply unavoidable, it's a really good idea to shelter in place, because if that information was to become available here in the kingdom, for example, the Thai immigration that one's on overstay, a detention could be forthcoming, or other, a deportation and a blacklisting. There's just many problems that can arise from being in overstay status. Now, let me be clear. You want to strive at all costs to maintain lawful status here in Thailand, although under these really unfortunate events, certain things are simply unavoidable. So things are going to happen here. I do not believe Thai immigration is going out of its way to look for people on a one-day overstay to detain and blacklist them because they're in overstay due to the COVID-19 pandemic. I do not think that is their modus operandi at the moment. That being said, they take a very legalistic approach on this, as noted from that Lieutenant Colonel at Immigration in Phuket. The law is what it is, and they are tasked with administering it and enforcing it. So bear this in mind. The fines can be levied. If you can get an embassy letter asking for an extension, by all means, get one. If you can't and overstay is unavoidable, that is extremely unfortunate. Probably a good idea to maintain as low a profile as possible and just sort of ride this out.